मुझे लगता है to represent our armed forces is not a, I mean, I'm not trying to say, it's not a small task. And
Yeah.
that's not because, it's especially because the way I can describe it is, मेरे एक colleague हैं, जिन्होंने एक दफ़ा बोला था कि हमारे जो आर्म फोर्सेस के जो लोग हैं वो सुपर हीरोज नहीं हैं. They're regular people, they have lives, उनकी भी
Right.
घर पे फैमिलीज होती हैं, ये सारी बातें होती हैं. एंड आई रियलाइज बाय डूइंग दिस, एंड ये जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था स्पेशली इन पीएम में, आई वुड डिसएग्री विद हिम. आई वोंट कोट हु इट वाज, बट द थिंग इज मैं इसलिए डिसएग्री करता हूँ कि आफ्टर इंटरैक्टिंग विद दीज बॉयज, उनके साथ जब मैंने बात की, उनको अंडरस्टैंड किया कि वो यहाँ क्यों हैं, आई रियलाइज कि नो, दे आर सुपर ह्यूमन. दे उनके अंदर एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमारे अंदर नहीं है. एंड दैट वन थिंग इज, आई मीन दैट I can't understand it, which is they are willing to give their lives.
Right.
That I think in itself, that's ये एक superhuman quality ही है.
Absolutely.
अब आप मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि आपने अपनी जान देनी, it's a very difficult thing for me to, मैं तो comprehend भी नहीं कर सकता. And you have all these young men who feel that they have this love inside them for their nation, for their people,
Yeah.
के वो जान दे सकते हैं. And that's the one thing, उसको represent करना, उसको play करना is a very difficult thing for any actor, I think, to actually realize कि भाई they're ready to do that. And I think that is a superhuman quality. Especially, I mean, in the way they think, उनकी सोच ऐसे कि they are willing to do it. That is superhuman.
Absolutely. While shooting, I mean, कुछ तो we understand के and recognize के actors कौन-कौन हैं. How many real sort of cadets at PMA did you actually? बाकी तो सारे they're real people, as I would say. I would hate to not call you a real person as well, but they're the real
They're
deal.
actual cadets.
They're actual cadets.
Yeah.
तो कितनी bonding हुई आपकी? Were the
Bonding
stories
हुई,
that
और
were
actually
inspirational?
खास तौर पे I have to admit, bonding उन्होंने करवाई.
अच्छा.
Because I feel like जब मैं काम कर रहा होता हूँ तो I'm a little, I get into the role, या मैं distance इसलिए भी रखता हूँ क्योंकि फिर मेरी जब connection हो जाती है तो I hate leaving that connection. You know, when you create friendships and relationships with people, तो वो आप you hate leaving that. और eventually मुझे पता है I won't be staying in PMA.
Right.
So I have to leave. तो मैंने जरा distance रखी थी. And then I remember one day, I won't say who it was, it's one of the boys who's an actual cadet. वो कहता है कि यार आप इतना distance क्यों रखते हैं हमारे साथ? I said, I explained the reason why.
हाँ.
तो बोला कि यार वो तो होता रहेगा आपके साथ, but ये जो time है आप, we want to get to know you, and I know, I feel you want to get to know us. तो वो जरा barrier उन्होंने ही तोड़ा था.
अच्छा.
So it was very nice. वो बहुत welcoming थे. Honestly, they're the toughest people I've ever met. They're amazing. They're disciplined, strict, but their hearts are so big. Like, I mean, honestly, उन्होंने welcome किया था.